Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking this old rusty angle grinder, which many might consider junk, and giving it a completely new, powerful purpose as a DIY welding machine. I'll try attaching a cutting disc to the angle grinder. Now, I'm plugging it into this power strip. I'll press the switch, and nothing, absolutely nothing happens. This confirms my suspicion. The internal components are likely faulty or severely degraded, making it unusable in its current form. Since it's not working, it's time to take it apart. Using a screwdriver, I'm carefully removing the screws from the back casing. We need to open it up to get to the electrical connections. With the screws out, I can gently pry open the casing to reveal the internal wiring and the power cord connection. Next, I'm disconnecting the power cord from the switch mechanism. I'm unscrewing and removing the carbon brush holders and the internal switch components. These parts are worn out and won't be needed for our welding machine, so I'm setting them aside. Simplifying the internal structure will make space for our new components. I'm proceeding to unscrew the front of the grinder to separate the motor housing from the gearbox. This allows me to remove the internal rotor and stator coils, which are the heart of the motor. With the screws removed, I can now carefully extract the rotor from its casing. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. You can see the copper windings that are crucial for creating the magnetic field. I'm taking this PVC pipe. I've measured it to fit perfectly around the stator coil. I'm marking it so I can cut it to the correct length, and then I'll drill small holes around it. Before proceeding, it's vital to clean the stator coil thoroughly. I'm using a cleaning spray and a cloth to remove any accumulated grime and rust. A clean coil ensures optimal electrical conductivity and efficient operation for our DIY welding setup. Now for a critical step. I'm winding this red wire around the PVC-covered stator coil. This will serve as our primary winding. I'm making sure it's tight and evenly spaced for maximum efficiency. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now, I'm connecting the two ends of this primary coil to the extension connector. I'm stripping the wire and twisting them together securely to ensure a strong electrical connection that won't easily come apart during use. This forms a continuous electrical circuit. I'm wrapping the twisted red wires with electrical tape. This is extremely important to insulate the connections, prevent short circuits, and protect against electrical shocks. Next, I will connect the white wire to the copper wire of the stator coil. I strip the insulation from the wire ends and carefully secure them. This creates the necessary induction for the soldering process, converting the input voltage into a high output current. Similarly, I will connect the red and white extension wires to the other side of the stator. Now, I'm carefully threading the newly wound stator coil through. I'm reattaching the parts inside the angle grinder. I'm stripping the ends of the power cord wires again and attaching them to an electrical plug. This will be the input for our welding transformer, allowing us to plug it into a standard power outlet safely and efficiently. I'm stripping the remaining red wire to expose the copper wires inside. I'm attaching an orange soldering iron to the red wire and tightening it. This will be where the soldering iron will be fixed. With the white wire, I will attach a grounding clamp to complete my homemade soldering iron. I'm connecting our transformed angle grinder to a power strip. The welding rod is in the holder. Look at this. From a useless old grinder, we now have a powerful welding machine. Watch closely as I touch the welding rod to the metal plate. See those bright sparks and the immediate melting? That's the concentrated electrical energy doing its work. Our DIY welder is truly effective at fusing metal. Try it one more time on these two pieces of iron. The sparks fly and the metal joins. This homemade welding machine is incredibly powerful and reliable, showing that expensive tools aren't always necessary for impressive results. It's all about understanding the principles and applying them creatively. I'm unplugging our welder now. Look at these results. The metal pieces are securely fused together with strong, clean welds. Who would have thought an old angle grinder could be transformed into something so practical and powerful? Our incredible multifunctional tool, made from a simple, discarded angle grinder. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Bye. See you in the next video.